Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Errors. If you want to keep your HP laptop or desktop running smooth, if you want to update the drivers on your laptop or desktop, then I'm going to show you in today's video how you can conveniently do it with a free tool on every HP computer, HP Support Assistant. It's HP's own free tool that fixes problems, update drivers, and optimize your PC in just few clicks. Anyways, this is going to be a very simple and complete guide, so stay with me till the end. First of all, if you bought yourself a new HP laptop or desktop computer, you have the taskbar, and on the taskbar you have some small icons. And one of them you will usually notice is a circle icon with a question mark in it, a blue circle with a question mark inside. That is HP Support Assistant. You can directly access HP Support Assistant right from there. If you don't have it on the taskbar somehow, then you can always click on the search at the bottom and type in there HP Support Assistant, and you will find it in the search. Further, you can open it. You can go ahead and create yourself an account with HP. If you have one, you can also go ahead and log in. So from here, you can enter your username or email address, then the password, and log into your HP account. However, in this video, I'm simply going to skip the login process. Instead, I'm going to click on continue as guest, which you can also do if you want to avoid getting into the account and all that. This is the dashboard for HP Support Assistant application. In this dashboard, I see almost everything. That's my laptop. This is the model number, the first thing I see at the very top. And then I also see the warranty status right there. Right below, I see the status of my laptop battery. I see the security status. I also see the storage option there. Now, suppose if I want to check my device health, I can always click on this option, device health. From here, I've got 4 different windows: warranty, storage, battery, and Windows security. I can always go ahead and check out all these features right from here. If I have a problem with the battery, I can run a battery check. If I have a problem with the storage, I can always run storage self-check. Apart from that, if you notice right below your device, you can always find your product number and your serial number pretty conveniently. I've seen many people who always experience difficulties in finding the serial number for their devices when they need to claim a warranty or they need some service online. In this application, you can find all this information collected, product number, serial number, or model number, and you can simply go ahead and use it whenever you need it. In this window, you can also find an option which is for the messages, where you get the alerts about your device. It keeps checking time to time automatically and possible new alerts or messages related to your device health. Now here you can always go ahead and explore them. And the next tab is pretty essential, that is update. From this tab, you can go ahead and always look for possible driver updates for your HP laptop, desktop, in fact your printer as well. Like it's just looking for the possible latest updates for this device, and we have one update already available here, which is the wireless LAN driver. I can check it and I can download and install. It is going to take maybe a few minutes to complete the download process. Also, depending on the number of driver updates you have available there, it can take, anytime. It can take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or more than that. So just be patient with this process. Let it complete the task. And it just completed the wireless LAN driver installation. This is how you can always conveniently look for the possible updates for your HP drivers. Next, again, I'll click on the home button. From here, we have many preset commands, fixes, and diagnostics. If you click on this option, you can always go ahead and launch any one of these troubleshooters. You have a problem with your network, you can click on launch from here and do the troubleshooting on the network. You have a problem with the audio, you can always click on this audio troubleshooter. You can optimize the performance of your device by launching this tool here. You can check for the operating system and possible errors right from here. You can also run the hardware diagnostics, like you have a problem with the audio, keyboard, mouse, you have a problem with the startup, the hard drive or RAM. You can always launch it from here and check for possible hardware diagnostics. And like I told you earlier, you can also check your laptop's battery health right from this tool. Well, this is a very much underrated tool from HP. Especially if you're an HP laptop or desktop user, you should know how to use it and you must have it on your computer. By the way, if you have a printer from HP, you can also go ahead and connect that printer with the same application and always find out the best possible solutions for your HP printers too. If there's an update available, like a firmware update for your printer, you can always download right from here by checking the updates from this same application. So HP Support Assistant is like a one tool for almost everything on every HP laptop or desktop computer. At the bottom, you can also find some additional sources. You can find the virtual repair center if there's a problem with your printer or laptop or desktop. You can also find a repair center nearby your place. You can also dispute your device warranty in case you extended it, or if you bought the device recently and you don't see the warranty status correctly, you can always do it right from this application. So this is one tool that every HP laptop or desktop user should use. Now, if you have a difficulty in finding HP Support Assistant on your computer, you can always go ahead and download it from the internet. It's a free tool. You can visit to HP's official website and from there you can download it. However, I will also attach the direct download link for this tool in the video description. You can always access that and download it directly from there. And that's how easy it is to download, install, and understand how useful HP Support Assistant application is. Whether it is just updating some drivers or checking the health of your device or maybe optimizing it, or even going a step ahead, troubleshooting some sort of problems, this little tool can save you time and tech stress. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. You got a question or you stuck somewhere? Go ahead and feel free to type me a comment. I'll be more than happy to respond back to that. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.